Welcome all of you class. I am Durgesh Kumar Pandey. Class, you are in the class 11, but when you are going in class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so you will always listen this word equality. Class, this word equality is the basic principle of our Indian constitution class. But today class we are going to discuss about equality. What is equality and what is the significance of equality class. Class, first of all, I want to give a definition what is equality. Equality is a moral and political ideal. Equality is a powerful moral and political ideals which inspire the and guided human society from many centuries. So this is a definition. So equality is a morality. We are the human beings, so we should live together. Everyone is the part of this humanity, so they should treat respectfully. Okay, so morally, because all of the peoples are human beings, and so we should respect to each other. Okay, so equality is a powerful moral. Okay, because we are the parts of humanity, so we should respect other human beings. Okay, so all the human beings are equal. Class, this is also a powerful, equality is also a powerful moral and political ideals. Class, in our political science, equality is a very important word, and if we are going to discuss this topic, first we are going to behind the history. Okay, we are looking in the thoughts of Plato, Aristotle, and some like John Locke, Rousseau, Montesquieu. So these peoples were talking about equality, and class, the society should be healthy if they accept this political ideal equality. Class, if you are looking the history of India, India was suffering from untouchability. Caste system is here, and the upper caste are discriminated to lower caste, and both in Hindus they were discriminated their own peoples. There is no equality. Similarly, class, in our Indian society, women is also discriminated. They not treat equally as man. Okay, so lack of equality we are looking in our Indian society. So if we eliminate this inequality, it means it is a equality. Okay, so all type of inequalities in our society. There is inequality between boys and girls, man and woman, upper caste and lower caste, blacks and white, rich and poor. There are lots of inequality, and different peoples are treated differently. Suppose rich peoples got some respect in the society, but poor peoples always feel hated by everyone. And similarly, if you are looking the apartheid system where poors were exploited by the rich peoples, So we are taking different types of inequality in our society from history or from present. So we should eliminate this inequality. So we got the equality class. So inequality among the people on the basis of caste, religion, race, and or the gender or on the birthplace is very bad thing. Class, if you are discussing the inequality, so I share with you some data. I have a data some about facts about the inequalities. Ki nowadays the richest 50 individual in the world have a combined income greater than that of the poorest 40 crore people. Okay, mean ki richest 50 individuals person have a property in the world which is combined income of the 40 crore peoples. मतलब income of 40 crore people is equal to income of 50 individuals. So this is a big gap कि income of 40 crore peoples are equal to income of 50 individuals. So we are looking too much inequality among the society. And there is another factors I will share with you, like poorest 40% of the world population receive only 5% of the global income class. 40% of the world population receive only 5% of the global income. And well, the richest 10% of the world population, control 54% of the global income class. So according to this data, there is a big gap between rich and poor. And the first world of the advanced industries countries, mainly North America and Western Europe, with 25% of the world population, owns 86% of the world's industry and consume 80% of the world's energy. Okay, means जो दुनिया के 25% पॉपुलेशन है यूएसए और यूरोप की, वो वर्ल्ड की 86% इंडस्ट्रीज़ वहीं हैं और वर्ल्ड का जो 80% एनर्जी है वही कंज्यूम करते हैं. ठीक है, तो वी आर लुकिंग टू मच डिफरेंसेस. जैसे there is one fact also here in my book. The risk of dying from pregnancy related causes is 1 to 18 in Nigeria, but 1 to 8700 in Canada. Means जो नाइजीरिया है वहाँ पर हर 18 में से एक वुमेन प्रेगनेंसी की वजह से मदर्स की डेथ हो जाती है, हर 18 में से एक. बट क्लास इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू कनाडा तो वहाँ हर 8700 में से, एंड इट्स 8700, कनाडा में 8700 में से 1 वुमेन की डेथ होती है, मदर्स की डेथ होती है, जो माताएं होती हैं जो बच्चों को जन्म देने वाली होती हैं. तो कनाडा में केवल 1 डेथ होती है. बट अगर ये फिर गोइंग इन नाइजीरिया तो हर 18 में से एक वुमेन्स की डेथ होनी ही होनी है. मीन्स द हेल्थ रिगार्डिंग हेल्थ स्टेटस देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द टू कंट्रीज वी आर लुकिंग. एंड सिमिलरली आई हैव सम अनदर इंफॉर्मेशन कि सपोज यू आर going in the class 9th, you already learned about कि during the French 17th and 18th century the French society was divided into 3 sections, clergy, nobility and common peoples. And clergy and nobility was got the privileges and the common peoples who earn their livelihood by hard work is only paying the revenue to the ruler. So this is a discrimination, this is an inequality among the peoples who are rich, they are got the privileges, but the peoples who are poor, they was enforced to pay the taxes class. So class in our society, we are looking inequality among the people on the basis of religion, caste, race, language. So this is not good class. But class, if we are looking in the society, some persons like president, prime ministers were got the privileges. So and we are saying this is correct. Why? Because some peoples were got their position, by their effort, by their hard work, they reach a high place with their effort. So they got some respect and dignity. So we can say कि we live in a society where the work is divided among the people and the work is distributed among the people according to ability of every person. So if we will going to in society and the people's got their position privileges, so this is not unjust, this is not bad, because everyone got their position by their effort, so nothing is bad. So we live in a society and work is divided according to ability, and according to ability some peoples were got the privileges. So we accepted this. In society this is acceptable. But on the basis of color, religion, races, this is not acceptable in our society class. Class, one such equality is equality of opportunity class. Equal opportunity class, equality of opportunity. Equality of opportunity. Class, we are the human beings and we live together, and every should got the equality, because equality सब में समानता होना चाहिए regarding equal opportunity, means for education, for health, for जो बेसिक नीड्स हो वो सबकी पूरी हो, इसमें इक्वालिटी हो, इसमें किसी तरह की भेदभाव ना हो. तो दिस कैन बी कॉल्ड इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी, अवसर की समानता. मीन्स जैसे इन आवर सोसाइटी वुमेन्स एंड द हिस्टोरिकली डिसएडवांटेज ग्रुप्स वेर समटाइम्स नॉट गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो वी शुड प्रोवाइड इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी, अवसर की समानता सबके लिए हो. एंड वी शुड, कहने का मतलब कि if we are not traveling from the lackness of equality, or we are not discriminated on the basis of wealth, privileges, so it is a healthy society. But class, every should be got the equality. ठीक है. क्लास नेक्स्ट इज द नेचुरल एंड सोशल इनइक्वालिटी. नेचुरल एंड सोशल इनइक्वालिटी. क्लास इन आवर नेचर the inequality which are made by the nature is called natural inequality. Like by nature someone is handicaps, someone is lost their vision, yeah, someone is lost the part of body. So this is a mishappening in the life of people. So this is a natural inequality among the people, and this is by nature. No one is responsible for this. By nature person is blind or incapable, but the inequality which was made by the society, like the caste system, sati pratha, these evils are made by the human beings, not by the nature. So this is called social inequality. So we should eliminate these types of untouchability and gender discrimination. The women were always facing problem, discrimination, inequality. So we should eliminate this social inequality, because it is made by human beings, not by the nature. So in our constitution there was a many provision. Article 17 is clearly saying कि untouchability is a punishable offence, and the government should take many steps to avoid, to eliminate the inequality in the class, in the society class. You are always hearing the man were saying कि women are weaker section of society, and women were long described as a weaker section. They considered limited, timid, and of lesser intelligent than the man, and needed special protection. So our society discriminate women, and our society not give respect women equally to the man. Class. There are so many science and technologies due to innovation. Now the natural inequality should be reduced minimum, because the advanced machines like available in our market would reduce the natural inequality class, and we should criticize, we should raise the voices against the social inequality class. Now come on the three dimension of equality class. There are three dimensions of equality. First is the political equality. Second is the economical, political, social equality. And last, third point is the economical equality. These are the three types of inequality class in our society we are facing. Class, if we are talking about political equality, means जैसे like right to vote is available for everyone, right to freedom of expression, movement, right to freedom of movement all over the country, and right to make an association. So these are the political equality. Right to vote is available for women, poor, everyone universally. Okay, this is a political equality. So right to vote, freedom of expression, movement and association, and freedom of belief. So these rights which are considered necessary to enable citizens to develop themselves and participate in the affair of the state. But they are legal rights guaranteed by the constitution and law. Okay. Class next equality is social equality. Class in our society, women, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes were many times not treated equally. They treat differently. Women were avoided in the society. So it is necessary to minimize the effect of social and economical inequality and guarantee certain minimum condition of life to all the member of the society, like educate health care, the opportunity for the good education, educate nourishment, and a minimum wages, among other things. So, in the absence of such facility, it is exceedingly difficult for all the member of the society to compete on the equal term. Means, if we talking about the equality in the society, so educate health care and opportunity of the good education and educate nourishment and minimum wages should be available for everyone. Now next is the class economical equality. Means the gap between rich and poor should be minimum. Okay, everyone have a right to livelihood, कि they earn their livelihood, कि their minimum basic needs should be fulfilled. In our country, many people are living in the poverty line, and these economical inequalities rises due to difference of wealth, property, and income or class. The factory owner was on the profit by the exploitation of their workers. The workers are doing 12 hours, but according to the service rule, they got the salary of only 8 hours. So next remaining the worth value of fourth hour is stored by the owner of the factory. So by this there is a gap between rich and poor should be increased. So for economic equality, everyone should be got the minimum wages, ताकि they should fulfill their basic needs, and equal payment for equal for women should be economically independent. Okay, so these are the things. Now come on the next topic, which is related to how we promote equality. How we promote equality by establishing formal equality, by we establishing a law in our country. We change the rules of society or norms which support the inequality among the people. Class, we should promote equality by treating every person differently. Class, different person differently. Class, how we promote the equality by establishing formal equality, which change our constitution, establish the measure for equality in our constitution. We change our old rules regulation which promote the inequality among the system. We treat different people differently, like peoples who are physically independent, handicapped. So we should treat such a person differently. And similarly, by affirmative actions, like the government making so many affirmative actions, like in the hostels, the free of cost education is available for the poor and scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Similarly, some education in the higher level is free of cost to the lower caste, lower section of society class. Thank you.